launch of the promenade, and the mayor came to do a short telling, because this is an investment by the city of Durban, by eThekwini municipality, and it's an investment where we are trying to attract more investors into the city, more especially into this particular node, which is the Point Waterfront. Now, by investing in the promenade, we believe that it's going to elevate the value of the area, so that we can get more investors coming and investing in the waterfront project. It's a long-term project. It's between 10 to 15 years. So we believe that by year number 15, the investment that would have been injected into this area, it would be far more than 35 billion rand. So this is a catalyst, the promenade. It's a catalyst for many investments that are in the pipeline.